In April of 2022, Ryan and I bought this old brick building, which was built in 1911. We have since then spent many long days working on the building. Today is one of those days. Since we got married over 11 years ago, we have always had endless projects together, and we have accomplished so much together as well. We bought our current house in 2012. It was an old and outdated house when we bought it. Ryan and I completely remodeled the house to the studs. It looks new now. Ryan worked very hard because he wanted to make me happy. We started our repair business in our farm shop. Thanks to all the wonderful people from YouTube that came to us in the early days to support us, our business quickly grew and we needed a much bigger shop. We looked everywhere in this area. The buildings that are high enough and set up properly for semi-trucks are over $500,000 or $1 million. Unfortunately, it couldn't afford it. We had to look for alternatives. This 1911 old brick building with a big shed with a very attractive price came into our sight. Ryan and I immediately saw the big potential with this property. However, we both know there is a big amount of work needed to get the building cleaned up and fixed up. Here we go. This is one of the episodes of us working on a Saturday afternoon, while our 5-year-old stayed with his grandparents, and our 2-year-old was taking a nap.
Show you guys. Actually, we have our two-year-old is taking a nap while we're working.
We tore down the cubicles in the office and threw them into the 25-yard dumpster. We will paint the wall, install a new floor, and make a kitchen in this area. When all is finished, we will have a nice customer lounge so our customers can hang out here, watch TV, and enjoy a hot meal. Let's hope everything will come together soon. Ryan and I fill up our life with challenges and hard work. Of course, we enjoy the accomplishment in the end. We both have the same dream, and we are working towards it. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next episode.